during the is a perfect or its potential to be higher, and then he happy with that. And suddenly, then honey already, the hope for honey is very high, and then waiting for the result. Oh wow, it is like I just like formality because they said I'm good at waiting formality, and suddenly they said, oh, you are not pleased to this job. It's because why? Because of Junsu. Junsu who owned the company started when the company asked him to try to get information about honey to verify all the honey qualification, whatever. Supposedly, Junsu had to call the referees for the honey. But what happened to Junsu? He went to the Instagram and get honey, easily get the honey information, and then tell the company. So company when they get this kind of information, the company said, "Oh, no, cancel. No need to hire honey. Hire anybody else." Something like that. So now look at the question. Look at the video. Using vocabulary theory, apply the theorem of Junsu personal information from honey incident to the job application. Okay. This question is already said. Junsu. Morality, the morality of Junsu. So what mean the morality Junsu? What should you do? You focus on Junsu. Don't focus about honey. Don't focus about the thing. Don't focus about the company. No. It is said Junsu. What is Junsu? Junsu use the personal information. So you have to be focused. Also, in that particular case, there's so many actors, so many parties, so many small issue there. But look, read the question carefully. If the question asks Junsu, just focus on Jutsu. Don't focus the other things. Okay? So now, this was said. Before writing your answer, read the question carefully. Highlight the moral issue should be addressed. Who and what moral issue. Okay, don't bother about other things. Just be focused, like I said, Junsu and Benjutsu. So, then identify the key point, context of the ethics and the possible theory. Okay, for example here, okay, it's about Junsu. If you look the Junsu action consequent to honey from the Junsu action and because of the consequence, you may use AU. Okay, then I like because of Junsu, the rule information from Somet, getting information from it, this is Junsu action. Getting information from Somet and becomes the rule. You want to look about the consequence is RU. Okay. Other things as a your moral rule using disclose personal information without permission mean that you're using information from Somet without the person of Somet knowing about that. If you want to pass this rule, only that action, this one action, then you can use scan or ACT. Okay. This is how you remember. Look here. That is there is one cases, but I can use four theory to analyze. So in this case, I use RU. Okay. Okay. Remember again, the purple color mean here is that the step you have to do. So the green one is that your answer, how you answer it. Okay, I use RU. Remember, when I use RU, that means I want to look at the consequence to the society, because action of Junsu, when you action of Junsu become a rule. Okay, so then I explain the theory. You explain number one first. Okay, adoption, the moral which followed by everyone leads to greatest happiness consequent to the society. Okay. Adoption of moral which followed everyone lead to the greatest benefit or consequent to the society. What the benefit or consequent to the society? Okay. So after that one, then I apply the theory. So please refer the table. Okay, Ripple analysis for each case in PowerPoint. Okay, I already had your PowerPoint last time on this on our review. How to do the analysis? Okay, in this case, I do like this. First, I identify the proposed rule. The proposed rule here is that you're using information format to validate job application. Okay, so I look at the benefit to the society and the harm to the society. Okay, when I put the society here, I divide that one. Okay, look here. The first one, I set the company. Okay, remember when you look to the slide, I said who and what. Here, the who is the company. Okay, what will be the benefit? I explained it already. Extra information so that company does not take risk, hire might be problematic employee. Set budget. How they set budget? Because social media is free and cut budget contacting the reprise, pre-invalidating application information. Okay. Okay. And then the second one I said that is benefit to the company work who is possible to get applicant information, save time, energy, and the was something. And then for the society, client, company as a confidence, they trust the future employee because they believe the employee do not involve the attitude problem, the attitude, moral, and personal problem. Okay. Then the harm, the same thing. The harm first, I highlight the who. Who here is the as an applicant. In this case, is honey. So how that be harm? That is the harm. All applicants always in caution state and restlessness, and this can contribute to mental problem. Okay, mean here is that when this is situation, you always scared of your life because maybe sometime somebody upload my life in the Instagram or anybody maybe I cannot do this one. You are always careful with your life, but actually sometimes it's not good. Okay, the harm also the company. Look, this is company also this is not good. Should be okay. So what will be the harm? The company will be the question. Information from Instagram not really picture the real situation and what kind of company making formal decision using informal information. So now I have this. This is my analysis. How I apply, and then last one is conclusion. So I write my conclusion. Result. The result is benefit outweigh the harm. So it is morally right. So mean here is yes, it's moral right to check your applicant to the Instagram. Quite unprofessional by the impact. Quite unprofessional method, but it will be instilling trust and confidence to society as well as the client about the company, particular dealing with company employee. So I mean that you trust the company status because the employee also a good attitude, good moral, something like that. The dealing with problematic employee cause company may lose productivity, workers relationship. Mean here that if you hire someone who's problematic, will more problem to you. So what happened gradually, the future applicant lead their life in proper way. I mean here is that what happened. So the applicant, future applicant said, oh, I have to live in proper way. I mean that I don't upload something is not good in Instagram, being not be good. So people also cannot upload the bad thing also in Instagram. Okay, so this is how you're going to answer. My question is that you are the future. You are the future. For me, you are the future. And then after this, you try to get the job right. When you read this case, do you think the company outside there didn't try to get your information from social media? That's my question. So think about it. Okay. So That is how I organize how to write. So at the end, this is the way to answer. This is how you're going to answer. Write your answer in final exam. Something like this. See all the green one, then I make it over one paragraph. I write it something this one, and then this is put it the table here. Look my table. In my table, I propose. In my table, I have the proposed line, right? But here, the purpose is not here anymore because I put it in my sentence. And then at the end after that, table indicate, and then I give my what we call it. I give my conclusion. That is how you're going to do this one. So far okay. Okay. So now, last semester I said to you, you are going to do the what case? Case 1, case 2, case 3, or case 4 for today's discussion? Okay, case 4. Okay. Now, look at case 4. Let we discuss about case 4. So the question for case 4 is using two workable ethical theory, apply the selected theory to morality of police officer June reporting senior Yang with an appropriate photo to his. Okay. When you read this case, is it familiar to you, this case? This case is familiar to you? Esther memang lah. Okay, dia tahu betul ni Esther. The case is familiar, right? The name is Sumri, and also the gangs. One of the gang named June, something like that. Yes, Bening Stan. But here I changed it to Crystal Moon. Okay, here Bening Stan. Okay, now when you read this case, so there is so many variable there. There are so many parties there. You have the June, okay, the June, and then you have the June, the police, and you have the supervisor, the superior there, the boss, the June, the what you call it, the June boss, the superior, and you have also the you, okay, the you. So in this case, remember I said to you, you don't forget about everything. So you have officer June. What actually is June did? Okay. Actually, you must be clear here. What June did is that look at the question there. You. may you can submit the chat, or maybe you can submit your open. Anyone, please. Why do you think by reporting June, by reporting Yang to the superior, his boss become the issue, ethical issue? Why? You have to understand that is why, because this is you can determine actually what actually type of ethical issue, and then you okay, now I have weird, and then why it's become issue here? Understand. Fall under type of issue. Fall under type of what ethical issue? That's my question. Of course, why reporting June, which is have the some weird incorporate photo along with the comment is the room chat is become issue, because you already know Yang is already wrong, but why it's become issue when you're reporting the wrong one? In this case, why it become issue? Copyright issue, that is a copyright issue first, but inappropriate. The does not touch the about copyright, but I think Ivan will lead you post uncertain. Yes. Okay. Someone said breach of privacy. Yes. In what aspect that breach of privacy you have it, but sikit lagi. Part of breach of privacy. Yes. Okay. Is regardless like your breach of privacy boleh masuk tambah si Miki punya jawapan with Nasita punya jawapan. Okay. Why? Remember, you are police officer and you have your own responsibility. What happened is become issue because you already do something is not on your job of scope. Okay, you are assigned only to find drug crime case related issue. Okay, only that one. Only the one. But what happened is that you cross the line. Cross the line by clicking file is not related to you. The personal things that which is also breach of the privacy. The first one, satu, you are cross the line, your responsibility. Second one, also you breach the privacy. That is the two things happen here. Okay, done by Mr. June. Okay, so now you already get the issue with case. So what? Now you already get issue. You understand the issue. You already understand the issue. What do you think the possible ethical theory, workable ethical theory to analyze, to be applied in this case? What do you think? Remember, breach of privacy plus you cross the line. the responsibility line just now. Your scope of line, the scope of job, and then the job privacy. So, can you suggest to me what kind of ethical theory, the workable? Workable, you have AU, Kant, AU, RU, and SCT. Oh, which one? SCT. Okay, Leo and Esther said SCT. SCT. In SCT, okay, SCT. In what perspective you said that is SCT? As I said to you just now, don't confuse the overall cases and what Yang did. Don't confuse it down. Now you are not you are not analyzing the Yang, single Yang. Now you are judging the officer June. If you said SCT in what perspective you said that is SCT? Other than SCT? Yes, SCT could be, but you don't forget the in what aspect. Okay, maybe are you also possible? Can also possible. SCT possible, can possible, are you possible? These three theory is possible, but you have to detail out in what aspect you accept SCT. Anyone? Okay. I give you example if you talk about SCT. If you talk about SCT, remember SCT, don't analyze Singa Yang. Singa Yang wrong. Analyze the professor, analyze the officer Joe. Okay. Let's say what the doing that. Okay. Remember this morning we used one of the act, the privacy act. You and the on this part it said that I also forget which part, but that part said if you are a personal data act, right? If you are suspected one of the breach of the personal data act, the police is this is not related, but you know the act, right? The police have right to investigate you. The police has right to do the search and says everything. Remember, the thing is, so you can look at that side at that side. Okay, you may look at the side of the another side of act. Like maybe you can use here escaping a criminal crime, but remember criminal crime here. Yeah. So look at the side. Look at the side. Okay. But as I said to you, you are not judging Yang. You are judging the June. From the SCT side, when June already tell the superior, and then cross the line just now, what will happen? Eh? The same thing with Ari. Okay. When you talk about Ari, what will be the purpose rule here? Are you because the police officer doesn't do his job in the right way in terms of his capability? So Rahimi, you mean that the police doesn't do its job in the right way in terms of capability? Do you mean that is the proposed rule? The warrant. Dia belum sampai warrant lagi Rahimi. It just tell the boss. You mean, so what, Rahimi, you have the idea. Just simplify that one for the proposed rule. Okay, vanilla, yes, vanilla. Okay, vanilla.
Kenapa macam aku belajar?
Okay, you have idea. That's a good idea because you use
Apa ni?
SCT on the Professor June.
I
That is
have to
good
learn
thing.
this.
And my if you use SCT, but you are judging the young, that is not the way. Okay, if you are you, what will be the proposed rule here?
Why I have to learn this?
Rahimi, you have the
dengan kos aku.
Rahimi, you have the idea. Just rewrite your sentence clearly about the proposed rule. Yes, but then the other, Vanilla, because officer is part of government, officer Ju morally right, we value society, dia sudah the law.
So aku tidak related
So the June is not there, so the law is
Why?
just that the
Kenapa aku rasa macam
scope of the job.
ambil degree
You
polisi
have the idea. You have the right track. You have the right track. Vanilla, you have the right track because you are judging you are trying to analyze the officer J. Boleh terima. Okay, just do your, what we call it, now you tinggal, you just do your analysis. Okay, are you? What will be the are you? Are you and can
Yeah.
is two quite similar. So now if you use are you, what will be the proposed rule? What proposed rule you, from this case, what will be the proposed rule? What will the rule that you can propose? Anyone?
Tak dengar. Siapa nak boleh jawab?
What will be the rule?
Tak dengar aku dengar mumbling siap.
Then for the can't,
Rasa
what will be the universal rule here? Okay. Okay, in doing RU, the first one, you have to propose rule. You have to propose the rule. It's not, don't jump to the because, don't jump to the conclusion. Don't jump to the conclusion. Don't jump to the conclusion. You have to first propose the rule and then you analyze the rule. But what I see here, most of you jump to conclusion. Don't jump to the conclusion first. Okay, like my just remember the example I give it to you in class. When I jumped to conclusion, I said Junsu is wrong because he used the Junsu is wrong because he used the information from outside. I jumped to the conclusion, but when I do my analysis, one step analysis, then I find out, oh, the jump to conclusion is not good one. That means when I do analysis, actually it's acceptable when you use the information from the social media for the harmony of society, happiness, benefit of the society, something like that. As I said, you don't jump to the conclusion. So if you use RU, what will be the proposed rule? That's my question. Remember when we here, remember my example, give it to you. My proposed rule is that using information from social media to validate job applicant. That means you allow all people using information from SOMED to validate application. In this case, what you will be proposed rule? And if you answer in the perspective of Kant, what will be the universal rule? Anyone? What will be the proposed vote? This study inappropriate files is wrong. That is not wrong. You have to do something good. Report any weird or inappropriate photo to prevent more victims. Okay. One Azlin is a good try. There's nothing wrong in writing whatever. But remember, I said to you, in confused, yes. I remember to you, you have to understand the case first, the issue first. Issue here, there is two issue here actually. It's not that you report any weird, inappropriate photo. That of course, but the issue here is the officer June is first officer June is breach the privacy, and the other one, the issue here is that the other one is that Professor June, Officer June is what we call it, not following the job scope. That is the two issue here, breach of privacy, and then the other one is that you are doing something out of your job scope. Okay, if you talk about this is what we call lose the integrity. One. Now Vanilla and Azlin just now one, but this is only a part of what you're doing. But actually, the issue is a breach of copyright, and the other one is that you are cross your job scope. As a worker, you asked to do A, you do B, C, D, E, F, something like that. Using the permission, good try Rahimi, but here there's no permission here, no permission here. Taking warrant permission before opening other privacy file. That is you supposedly do. Mickey, that is you supposedly do. But in this case, that officer don't do that. Okay. Proposed rule, officer Jones is allowed to report inappropriate message in young port. No. Back to, okay. Getting warrant and open case by before integrating suspect. One, no, Azin, that you supposedly do. That is the rule, existing rule. Okay, that is one Nur Azin. That is you can use for the CAN universal rule. Universal rule mean that you getting warrant. Whatever is that? Akan fitnah. Okay. All right, Lem. Think again. Yes, think again. Rahimi, the thing is, the officer June supposedly checking about the drug cases, and that siapa tu June punya room chat. Okay, room chat the drug cases. But what happened is that mungkin that conversation between June with the young, and then the curiosity happened. Supposedly only drug cases. What happened? It's click that one. When click that one, another thing appear. So when another thing appear, and then you terus report to the boss. So yang tadi is not about him, actually not about him, but because of this officer, now si Yang pun kena penjara, something like that. Ivan, no. Look, we're talking. Miki, sikit lagi di situ. Okay. We're talking the case here is about the officer, the police officer, the June is breach the privacy. This is the issue, and then investigate and do something cross his job scope. So, okay, if you look at the normal rule is that you have to work based on your job scope. But in this case, it's different. What actually Officer June do? But using information unrelated to the drug cases Mr. June is investigating. You have this, you have that, but make it general. You have that one, sikit lagi tu. No, mister. No. Don't using information, using whatever. Forget about using because my example is about using. But in this example, there's no about using. Okay. My example because of using of the information. But in this case, you can combine that one. Dia punya case ini, kita tengok dari sudut seorang pekerja yang tidak menjalankan tanggungjawabnya kerjanya berdasarkan arahan. Disebabkan itu, bila tidak berdasarkan arahan, dia telah breach of privacy apa? Boleh terima. Nasita, yes. At last, boleh terima. Your proposal accepted. Boleh terima. Boleh terima. Akhirnya Nasita. Gitu ya, yes. You tengok. You look at the issue. That's why I said to you, focus system. In this case, no. Kalau kita Rahimi, if a normal rule, you have to ask your superior permission before you open that file. Actually, that is supposedly. That is the rule, the universal rule. That one. Okay? But what happened here, when I said propose rule, means you propose the other rule other than the normal rule. Boleh lagi ni? Dapat? Sudah? Okay. That is the thing, yeah? That is the thing. So, maybe that one, you allow beyond the scope when there's one, okay? Masih dapat. This is the thing. Okay. Now, when you talk about Carmen here, is that you want to know whether this officer June is follow the rule or not follow the rule. In this case, they follow the rule or not follow the rule. If you talk about Khan, okay, forget about are you, But that one, this is your, these are allowed to go beyond job scope when it's primary data. This is maybe your purpose rule, and then you do analysis. Okay, now we go to the CAN. If you go to what the CAN, is it Complex June follow the law or not, follow the rule or not follow the rule? The rule is, normal rule usually said, when you do something, you have to ask permission from the boss. Okay, kalau ada keraguan, minta kebenaran daripada bos. But what happened here? Si June don't ask for permission. Do it right now. So then you said, I follow the universal rule or not follow the universal rule. Kan is very easy. If you not follow the universal rule, that means you are salah. Then like that. Okay, if that is kan in terms of first formulation and second formulation is that remember the third party manipulation here happened. Okay, that's the thing is, you're thinking the victim, who is the victim, what will the motive of the June, and then what actually the June do here. Okay, so now you already clear, you already are a city, now you have can and are you. So what should you do in your book? You start writing, choose two. Just write a simple one. I write for you the example of answering is very long one. You just do the simple one, should be okay. So that work, you submit it via Smart B3 and submission tutorial 1B. This one. Only one group, one work, one submission. Boleh? Can you do that? Okay. Now you already, at last, you already akhirnya berjaya juga solve the problem. So you may discuss with your group now. Okay, I'm here. If you have any problem, any question, you just write in the chat line. Okay. Okay. So you boleh start discussing your friend how to go and answer it. You have SAT, USRU, even RU, your friend already indicate some of the proposed rule, that kind of proposed rule. Maybe the same meaning, but different writing should be okay. Okay, and then if you want to do the can also boleh. So you have to choose two. Type of you may divide. Two will do this one, two do this, two person will do the other, what we call it, the other ethical theory. So you may write, then when you're done, you submit it. The submission paling lewat is in depan lah, you can submit it. Take your time. But better right now, write simple one. Don't need to write the long one, simple one should be okay. How long, doctor? For this to what we call it? This is to you need to theory, right? To theory 1 pages pun cukup lah. Half pages. You know half pages? Pages, one pages lah, one pages. Don't more than 1 pages. Mati mis membaca nanti. Simplify just, dia simplify. Let me hear it. For any group, if you want to try or rewrite the proposed rule again, your own proposed rule, and set the similar meaning, maybe different writing, you can also use the chat. If you also like the time, right? You want to know the universal rule, what is the universal rule? If you look on that universal rule, also do it. And if you have any question, you just write in the chat. I'm here. I read all your chat. I'm in front of the chat. Okay, vanilla, if you can make it, that's a good thing. You want to make it is a good thing, but if you don't to make a table, it should be okay. But you just write like, if you look, the formulation one is one paragraph, and the second formulation one paragraph should be okay. But I think to make it simple to you, if you use Khan, that is two formulation, right? So first formulation and second formulation, you choose either one, whether you want the first formulation or second formulation. Yeah, clear, right? It's up to you.
I know.
Okay, it's already 3 p.m. So that is for our tutorial today. As I said to you, you just submit your work on the provided link and the smart tree. So anything you may text. So that's it for today. Bye bye all.
Bye, guys.